everyone, how are you all? Yes, you all are very fine and doing great job. And after a very long time, students, we are meeting once again, right? So, this is Aarti Tiwari in front of you again to make you learn something new, something different in EVS, right? But dear students, before it starts study, we will do little conversation. About the test. Okay, so this little conversation we will do. Okay, so tell me, how was your test? What was your experience to give a online test? Earlier you used to give your test in your classroom, है ना? We teachers are distributing to your paper and your answer sheet, and you are writing in that. So, what was your experience? Hope your experience was too good, because this is a technology. What we can say, this is a 21st of century, and we all are very much techno-savvy. We all are using technology to make our life easy, है ना? We all humans being create all these things, these computers, laptop, smartphones, and so many things, so many things which is related to the technology to make our life more convenient, more easy. Okay, so now after a very long break, once again I am here to make you learn in EVS. But tell me one thing, are you missed me? Because from if I am not wrong, from 11th of September to 20 September, you did not get your lectures, you did not get your videos. So what you felt at your home? Are you have you felt very bored at your home because no study, no writing work, no lectures, no videos, है ना? So you all are students, so it is very much needed, it is very much required to do study on time. Okay, so this was my little conversation between you and me. It is very necessary. Now we will start study. Yes, this is class 3 and I am going to, sorry, oh God, my pen is not working. So not a very big issue. This is a part of our life. Sometimes in your classroom, your pen and your pencil is not working nicely. That time we teachers helped you. Okay, so now I think my pen will work. Okay, so this is EVS class 3. Okay, before it starts, something new, let's revise whatever we have done in my previous lecture. Okay, so in my previous lecture you have seen the unit test paper. This wala paper. Actually what? Actually this is the practice kind of sheet. Right? So after this, new chapter, we will start. Okay, but before starting the new chapter, we will discuss something. Okay, I will ask some questions to you, you will give me that answers. Okay, now tell me one thing, that nowadays you all are at your homes. Are you agree with me? Yes, you all are at your homes because you want to protect yourself from coronavirus, because you want to keep safe yourself and your family from this coronavirus, right? So you all are at your homes, है ना? Good, well and good. Now sometimes, but your papa is going out. Your papa is going out for his work, for his job, है ना? आप you all are तो sitting at your homes, feeling safe, feeling comfortable. But your papa is going out for job purpose, for work purpose. Am I right? Am I clear? Yes. I am giving the answers on behalf of you because you all are not in the classroom, right? So, yes, papa is always going out for work purpose, for job purpose. है ना? Now, when your papa will come back in the evening, when sometimes your papa will come back in the evening, so sometimes papa spoke with your mama, यार कल मुझे ऑफिस में बहुत सारा काम है, तो ऐसा करना कि मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठा देना. Am I right? It's happened in our life. It is a part of our life. It is happening in our daily life. है ना? Papa is telling to mama, यार please tomorrow I have so many work in my office, so please get me a reminder, please wake me up early in the morning, so I can get ready fast and I can release the house as soon as possible, है ना? Because I have so many work at office. Okay. Now those papas, now we will discuss about those papas who are not going to office, who are going to shop, who are the owner of their shops, who are the owners of their shops. They are the shopkeepers, they have business. So sometimes it happens, especially in the festival season. Here we will talk about especially in the festival season. Especially in the festival seasons, parents, those who are having their business, so they tell to their wives, they tell to your mamas, yeah, please tomorrow morning please wake me up early in the morning, so because I have to open my shop early, it is a festival season, है ना? मुझे दुकान पे जल्दी जाना है, because there is so many rush on the shop. Am I right, na? Yes, it happens in our life because it is a very necessary part of our life. Okay, so this is all about the office and shop. Okay, now tell me one thing. If you want something from your parents, suppose you want to be a automatic car, or what I can say, a remote wali car, है ना? And girls wants a Barbie doll set because girls are fond of the dolls. They wants to collect every kind of dolls, है ना? So girls are the fond of the dolls, right? And boys are the fond of the JCBs, car, trucks, and the remote wali car and all that things, है ना? But nowadays you all are a growing up child, so your wishes are keeps changing. In that you all are, especially I am talking here for boys. Boys are demanding about a good cricket bat, about a good tennis ball, about a badminton racket. So if you have these kinds of demand, what you tell to your parents? What you exactly tell to your parents? You tell to your parents, Papa, please give me a favor. I want a nice cricket bat. I want a nice cricket bat so I can play nicely, है ना? So what your papa tell to you. What is his reply? What is his answer? Okay, beta, today I am very much busy, or day after tomorrow, or tomorrow we will go to market and we will buy a nice cricket bat for you, or we will buy a nice tennis ball for you, or we will buy a nice badminton racket for you. Okay, if you are fond of playing outdoor games, then definitely you have all these things like cricket bat, tennis ball, badminton and football. But if you are fond of indoor games, then definitely you are interested to play chess, carrom board, ludo, snakes and ladders and all, right? But from where you will get all these things? This question should come in your mind, that where we can get all these things, whether it is a cricket bat or ball or badminton or ludo, carrom, chess, whatever. Yes, dear students, we get all these things at one place. At one place. And what is the name of that place? The name of that place is market. The name of that place is market. Are you agree with me? Are you understanding? Am I clear to you? Hope am I clear to you? Okay. Now, have you ever think if you want a nice cricket bat, so you have to go to market and you will buy from the market, right? Right? Yes. I am right. But can you get a nice cricket bat without money? ऐसा कभी होता है बेटा कि अगर आप किसी शॉप पर गए हो और आपने बिना पैसे दिए कोई चीज़ खरीदी है? Is it possible to you, to me, to everyone that we can buy whatever we want to buy from a market, we can buy without money? Huh? Without money, can we buy anything from the market? No. Nothing is free in this world. Nothing is free in this world. Even a water. If we are feeling thirsty, we want water, then we have to purchase. If I am outside, I am talking about outside. When we will go for roaming or we are going outside, if we are feeling thirsty, then we have to purchase the water, Bisleri water bottle, and we have to pay 20 rupees to get that bottle. Am I clear? Yes. So, have you ever think beta कभी सोचा है कि we can get anything, we can buy anything? क्या हम बिना पैसे के कुछ खरीद सकते हैं? So answer is no, no, no. We cannot buy anything from the market or from our neighborhood places without money. So money is very important in our lives. Money plays a very important role in our lives, especially nowadays. Money plays a very, very important in all of us lives. But you have ever think that from where your papa is getting money? From where your mama is getting money? What kind of work, what kind of job they are doing so they can get back money? कभी आपने ऐसा सोचा है कि पापा पैसे कहाँ से कमा कर लाते हैं? अगर आपकी सपोज मम्मी जॉब करती हैं तो वो पैसे कहाँ से कमा कर लाती हैं? Have you ever think about this? No? Okay, no issue, no problem, I will tell you. See, whatever work we all are doing in our day-to-day life, whatever work we all are doing in our day-to-day life, that is our occupation. That is our occupation. So dear students, today we are going to start your chapter number 5, our occupation. Chapter number 5, our occupation. Okay, so I am going to write the name of the chapter over here. Chapter 5, our occupation. Our occupation, हमारा काम. अब this question is come in your mind, this should be raised in your mind, that what is an occupation? What is an occupation? This question is come in your mind, that what is an occupation? Occupation क्या है? What is an occupation? हाँ? So, my dear students, answer of this question is that we all need many services in our daily life. We all need so many services in our daily life. We all needed so many services in all our daily life. Are you agree with me? If your hair is long, then you need to go to a barber. Barber will cut your hair. You can't cut your hair with yourself. Papa can't cut his hair with himself. So you need to go to a barber. Barber will help you to make you a handsome boy, to make your papa handsome man. So he will provide his services by cutting your hairs. है ना? As like if we want a furniture, if suppose your house furniture is damaged, so definitely your papa will make a call to a carpenter and tell to your carpenter, भैया please come soon at my home because furniture of my house get damaged, right? So here you are needing a carpenter to repair that damaged furniture. It means carpenter is helping to you to get a proper furniture. Okay, suppose if you are sick, then you will take medicine by your own. It is happening? No. We will go to a doctor and doctor will help us to treat. Doctor will give the prescription to us and that prescription we will follow. And we will go to a chemist and chemist will give the medicines. है ना? And then chemist will suggest us एक गोली सुबह, एक गोली शाम, एक गोली खाली पेट, एक गोली खाने के बाद. So, we human beings needs all these kinds of services. If your fan is not working properly, if your AC is not working properly, suppose your refrigerator is not working nicely, your washing machine, your laptop, computer, whatever electronic device is not working properly, then whom do you call? You call to an electrician to repair your fans, your coolers, your ACs and all these things. Right? So, these all pupils help us to live our life smoothly. All these pupils give us their services to live our life smoothly. है ना? So, we all need so many services in our daily daily life, in our daily life, or we can say in our day to day life. Okay, are you agree with me? Yes, you all are smart students, you all are agree with me. Okay, so but have you ever think for getting these services, have you ever think what to getting all these services, you have to pay something, आपको उसके लिए पैसा देना पड़ेगा. If you want good service, then you have to pay for it. आपको उसके लिए पे करना पड़ेगा, पैसे देने पड़ेंगे. Then only you will get these services. Then only you will get all these facilities, all these services. Right? So, if we want good service, then we have to pay. हमें पैसे देने पड़ेंगे. बट कभी ऐसा सोचा है कि ये पैसे आते कहाँ से हैं? पापा क्या काम करते हैं, मम्मा क्या काम करती है, क्या जॉब करते हैं? क्या मम्मी और पापा सेम जॉब करते हैं? डू योर फादर एंड मदर आर डूइंग द सेम काइंड्स ऑफ जॉब? इज योर पापा एंड योर चाचा आर डूइंग द सेम जॉब? इज योर मामा एंड नाना आर डूइंग द सेम जॉब? इज योर बड़े पापा, बुआ एंड ऑल योर रिलेटिव्स आर डूइंग द सेम जॉब्स? So my dear students, your answer is no. All the people have different kinds of job. All the people have different kinds of job, or we can say different work. Okay, they are not doing the same job. Everybody has different work, everybody has different job. But for doing that different job, purpose is one. There is one purpose to do behind all these jobs, to get money. बेटा जितने भी लोग हैं ना, भले ही चाहे they are doing the different jobs, not an issue. But the purpose behind that doing different job is that they all wants to earn money. सब पैसा कमाना चाहते हैं. Everybody wants to get more money. Everybody wants to live a lavish life. है ना? That's why your papa is doing so many hard work and different kinds of job at the same time. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना, किसी के पापा एक या एक से ज्यादा काम भी करते हैं. They have 2 occupation, more than 1. है ना? For what? Why they are doing so many hard work? Why they are doing work? Because they want to give you a lavish life. That's why Papa wants to earn so much money, because money plays a very important role in our life. But have you ever think, can we get a good life without money? Can we get a good life without money? No, we can't get a good life without money. So for getting that money, for earning money, we have to work something. We have to do some work, and that work is our occupation. and that work is our occupation. Without work, तो no one will come and no one will give you the money. बिना काम करे ऐसा होता है कि anybody will come at your home and give, लो please take this 1 crore rupees. कभी ऐसा होता है? No, it's not happening in our life. It is happening, but in cartoons only, in the stories only. It is not happening in our real life. Real life में तो you have to work hard. You have to give your best in your field. Then only you can get the money. Then only you can earn the money. So, if your papa will do so many hard work, he will do lots of work, then only he can earn so much money, and then you will get these so many services, so many facilities. Then only you can live your lavish life. Your life will go smoothly. If you are not having much of money, आपको अपने wishes को दबाना पड़ेगा, इच्छाओं को दबाना पड़ेगा. Right? Sometimes mama are saying ना, पैसे झाड़ पर नहीं लगते. There is no money tree. पैसों का झाड़ नहीं है कि हिला कर आपको दे दूं. Mama is delivering these kinds of dialogues sometimes when she was not happy or when she will not happy. कभी ऐसा होता है ना, मम्मियाँ ऐसा डायलॉग देती हैं कभी जब थोड़ा सा उनका थोड़ा मन ठीक नहीं होता है तो. Am I right? Am I clear to you? Yes. So today we are going to start our chapter number 5, our occupation. Today we are going to start our chapter number 5, our occupation. In Hindi we can call हमारा काम. In Hindi we can call हमारा काम. Whatever work we are doing, it is our occupation. Whatever work we all are doing, it is our occupation. And everybody needs to do work. Everybody needs to do work to get money, to earn money. Because if we have money, we can live our life smoothly. We can live our life lavishly. But if we don't have money, then how we can get these many services which is very much required in our day-to-day life? No, we can't get these services in our day-to-day life if we don't have money. So it is very much necessary to have a good job, to have a good work, and that work is our occupation. And that work is our occupation. Right? Am I clear to you all? Sorry. So in this chapter we will discuss about the different occupations. In this chapter we will discuss about the different occupations. Okay. So in this chapter we will learn two main things. We will learn two main things. First one is importance of occupation of pupil in India. Okay. Important occupation of pupil of India, and second importance of teamwork, and second importance of teamwork. These two things are very much important, which we will discuss in my next lecture. Today तो we will learn only this much. आज हम सिर्फ इतना ही सीखेंगे because this is the introduction of your chapter. What we are going to learn, what new thing we are learning in this chapter, right? So today we will learn only this much. What is an occupation? Why money is required in our life? How we can get good services with money? Our life is nothing without money. Okay, so this is entire summary about this chapter. So today we will learn this much only. In my next lecture we will discuss about what is an occupation, why people are doing different occupation, what is the mean by the different kinds of occupation, how the different occupations convert in the jobs, what are the jobs, what the people are doing. Okay, so this much learning is enough to you for this lecture. When we will meet in our next lecture, then only we will discuss very deeply about the occupations. So till then, bye bye. Love you all. Take care of yourself. Bye.